Number 1. Life of a bee. The life of a bee is a fascinating journey that revolves around complex social structures and important roles within their colonies. Let's explore the life of a honeybee, which is one of the most well-known species. Number 2. Egg stage. The life of a bee begins when the queen bee lays an egg. Fertilized eggs become female worker bees, while unfertilized eggs become male drones. Number 2. Larva stage. The egg hatches into a larva, which is a small, legless, and grub-like creature. During this stage, worker bees feed the larva with a substance called royal jelly, while drones receive regular honey and pollen. Number 3. Pupal stage. After the larva has grown and developed, it enters the pupal stage. The bee pupates inside a capped cell, undergoing metamorphosis and transforming into an adult bee. Number 4. Adult worker bee. The majority of bees in a colony are female worker bees. They perform various tasks depending on their age. Young worker bees clean cells and feed the larvae. As they age, they take on tasks such as building honeycomb, guarding the hive, and foraging for nectar and pollen. Number 5. Adult drone bee.
Male drone bees exist solely for mating with a virgin queen bee. They do not have stingers and are larger than worker bees. Drones do not participate in foraging or other tasks within the hive.
Number 6. Queen bee. The queen bee is the largest bee in the colony and has a specialized role. She is the only fertile female and lays all the eggs in the hive. Her primary responsibility is to ensure the survival of the colony by producing worker bees and occasionally drones. Number 7. Foraging and pollination. Worker bees play a crucial role in pollination by collecting nectar and pollen from flowers. They use their long proboscis to sip nectar from flowers, and the pollen sticks to their bodies as they move from one flower to another, facilitating pollination in the process. Number 8. Short lifespan. The lifespan of each type of bee varies. Worker bees usually live for several weeks during the summer when they are busy foraging and performing other hive duties. However, worker bees who are born in the late summer or fall may live longer to help the colony survive through the winter. Drones have a relatively short lifespan, and their numbers decrease drastically after the mating season. Number 8. Swarming. Under certain conditions, a honeybee colony may undergo a swarming process. A new queen bee is raised, and roughly half of the worker bees, along with the old queen, leave the hive to form a new colony elsewhere. Bees are crucial pollinators for many plants, including crops that provide much of the world's food. They play an essential role in maintaining biodiversity and ecosystem health. Unfortunately, in recent years, bees have faced various challenges such as habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change, leading to concerns about declining bee populations. Efforts are being made worldwide to protect and support bee populations for the benefit of both bees and human society.